Welcome back. In this video, I'll cover the steps for ordering a card in the BusyKid app. These steps assume that the child already has a profile in your BusyKid app. If they don't, check out my video for how to add a child profile. You can order a card from the parent dashboard. You can see here that I have 3 child profiles on my account. The app knows that I already have cards for 2 of my children, but the 3rd child, Stevie, has no card. You can see that Stevie's card is grayed out and says Order Card. If I tap the Order Card image message, it takes me to a page where I can order the card. The app is smart and tells me that my first 2 kids already have cards, so scroll down to the child who needs the card. The name defaults from the profile, and the profile picture displays if you added one. Next, you can select from available card images by swiping left or right. Center the image you want on the screen as seen here. Now scroll down and read the consent agreements. Then check each agreement to indicate that you understand the terms. Now you can tap Continue. Confirm the shipping address. This is where the card will be sent. Tap Yes. A Confirm Order detail screen displays. This is your last chance to make changes before the order is placed. You can see the address, the card image, and the name that will be on it, and any costs associated with ordering the card. Tap Continue. The order summary displays. Tap Pay Now, and an Order Successful message appears. The message reminds me that the card will take 7 to 10 days to arrive. Tap OK. You will return to the main page of the parent dashboard. If you scroll down, you will see that the order card image has changed. Your kiddo can still do chores and earn allowance while they wait for the card to arrive. When your card arrives, don't forget to activate it. You can find a video here for that too. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for joining me at Simple Success, where we help you raise financially competent kids.